Hi, I'm Rose from Jayco Sydney. We're here at the National 4x4 Outdoor Show, and I'm here to tell you about our largest toy hauler, the Basestation. Like any of our large family caravans, they will always come with 2 gas bottles, and that'll also come with 2 freshwater tanks of 80 litres each, and then you have the option if you'd like to add a grey water tank. At the front of the van, we have a large tunnel boot. It's up to you if you'd like to add a slide-out kitchen. Underneath, at the bottom, you will see that we have a gas bayonet, so you can hook up your favourite Weber barbecue. Basestation is obviously a tandem axle, complete with 4 large 16-inch all-terrain tyres. Over here you have a 12-volt external point, an antenna outlet, and obviously your 240 power point as well. This Basestation is 23 feet, and it comes along with a huge awning that you can seat the whole family under. It is also electric, so the press of a button and you'll be sitting out there under the stars. The Basestation is obviously a toy hauler. The rear garage compartment here is to hold motorbikes, mountain bikes, even a quad will fit in here. The ramp will drop down so you can wheel in all of the toys that you have and pack it away nicely when you're on the road. This Basestation here is equipped with 2 beds to one side. If you have more children, you can actually add a 3rd and even a 4th one on the opposite side. On those hot summer nights, if you'd like to keep the rear door open, not a problem, because we've got a built-in fly screen. Coming in from the garage of the Basestation, to the left here, we have a large 170 litre fridge. Opposite the fridge here, we have the combined shower and toilet, and this hot water system is actually a gas and electric one. This particular Basestation here is equipped with a full oven. You can opt to have a 3-burner cooktop should you just wish to have something simpler. Just like your kitchen at home, we have a good sized sink with a dish drainer, have a microwave as well, and plenty of storage space for all of your kitchen items. Not only do you have a large club lounge here that can seat the whole family, this actually will convert to a bed as well. The table will drop down, we fill it with a cushion in between, and there's another bed for 2. On top of that, towards the front of the van, as always, we have another bed for 2. So all up, 2 in the front, 2 on the club lounge, 4 beds in the rear. That's a total of 8 people that can sleep in this comfortably. Over here, we have a washing machine in this van. It is an option, so if you choose to add one, it's not a problem. TV is standard, air conditioner is standard, stereo, and a TV antenna as well. There are other good features such as a projector battery management system. You can opt to have lithium batteries, extra solar panels. You can have a control panel through which you'll be able to view how much battery power you've got left simply from the projector control panel, or even an app on your phone that pairs up with it. Well, that's it for the Basestation for now. I hope that I've been able to teach you something about it. If you'd like to know more information, you can look up our website, jaycosydney.com.au, or you can phone us at the dealership, make an appointment, and come see us at 6367 Glossop Street, St Mary's, and we'd be happy to show you the van.